Cadillac SOLLEI concept is a coach-built luxury electric convertible. Forward-looking concept convertible explores the possibilities of custom-commissioned vehicle design. Cadillac has introduced the SOLLEI concept vehicle, the ultimate design expression of a coach-built luxury electric convertible. This imaginative design exercise pushes the boundaries of future bespoke commissions, tailored to reflect the unique passions and interests of its clientele. SOLLEI conceptualizes an all-electric, 2+2 convertible equipped with the brand's signature 55-inch pillar-to-pillar screen. Awe-inspiring interior, exterior lighting chorography for arrival and departure, and intuitive front and rear command console. Defined in its name Sun, Sol, and Leisure, Lei. SOLLEI represents Cadillac's optimistic inspiration for an open-air, leisurely lifestyle. Sollei reimagines the discovery of travel, envisioning a personalized driving experience that connects one with the natural world around them, said Aaron Crossley, design director, Cadillac. The concept celebrates Cadillac's pedigree of elegant convertibles in a modern form by cultivating high luxury through design expressions and experiences. SOLLEI is also Cadillac's first concept vehicle to incorporate an innovative bio-based material developed in collaboration with Myco Works, used in the charging mats on the console and the door map pockets. Fine mycelium by Myco Works is ushering in a new era of luxury materials grown from mycelium, the renewable root structure of mushrooms. The material reflects Cadillac's mission to pioneer renewable automotive resources. Sophisticated exterior, clean body style. The SOLLEI's exterior exudes emotion and embodies Cadillac's unmistakable bold proportions. The low, elongated body is accentuated by a wide stance and long coupe door, facilitating easy access to the spacious rear. The uninterrupted surfaces and stretched A-line emphasize the vehicle's length, while the low tail design creates dynamic yet elegant proportions. The mid-body line seamlessly connects the headlamp to the taillight, unifying the car's harmonious design. Conventional door handles are replaced with discrete buttons, helping to enable the clean profile line, celebrating Cadillac's heritage of bold colors. The exterior is finished in Manila cream, a color originally used on Cadillacs in 1957 and 1958. This revived finish was meticulously curated and hand-painted by Cadillac craftsmen. Artistic interior, expressive personality. The interior of SOLLEI channels Cadillac's art of travel, design philosophy, elevating the travel experience for both the driver and the passenger. Features include a fully integrated beverage chiller with a power glass door and crystal glasses, seamlessly blending leisure with travel. Craftsmanship is at the heart of Cadillac design. Every detail is intentionally designed to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Illuminated decor and unique embellishments add expression to the brand's unparalleled aesthetics. The interior decor, wrapped in unstained wood veneers, honors natural color and grain pattern variations, while surfaces feature open-pore finishes that can be felt by touch. Each piece is hand-cut and hand-laid using marquetry techniques, creating a beautiful focal point that draws the eye from the front doors to the console and into the rear compartment. The windshield is framed in milled brushed aluminum, continuing Cadillac's use of natural materials. Personalization and nature connection. Cadillac design utilizes lighting in many of our products as a layer of personalization. SOLLEI elevates this offering with distinguished ambient lighting for true customization, including multiple zones and 126 color options in each zone. The lighting can evoke specific moods and personalize the interior ambiance. SOLLEI also caters to birdwatching connoisseurs with a unique interior accessory. A custom brushed metal and leather-wrapped case houses 3D printed acrylic bird calls, a leather-bound journal with hand-painted bird illustrations, and a leather tool roll for pens and pencils. Made to custom match the vehicle interior, allowing enthusiasts to capture their birdwatching experiences.